Okay, we are on two-step inequalities. We're going to take some notes. We are going to use the do and undo method. Oops, sorry guys. To do these. And so let's get ready. It says inequalities can be solved by following the same steps as equations. The variable must be alone or isolated on one side of the equation. Isolate the variable by using inverse operations or the opposite operation. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. This is the only different rule. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality sign is flipped over. That is the big one. Okay, so we are going to do our do and undo method, and we're going to practice this. Do, undo, var, co, con, total. Okay, so our first problem is 10 plus 3 at k is less than or equal to 22. So my variable is k. My coefficient is the times 3 in front of it. My con is 10. And that's a positive 10 because there's no sign there. And then my total is 22. We do the same thing we've been doing. We're going to draw our 22 here. What is the opposite of adding? Subtracting, you got it. Subtract 10, we get 12. What is the opposite of multiplication? We divide, and we get 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, we are not multiplying or dividing by a negative, so we keep that sign. And this is our answer. So I have k is less than or equal to 4. And we're going to check it and graph it. So I'm going to put my 4 right here. I'm going to close my dot. And it's less than or equal to, so I'm drawing it this direction. How do I check it? Well, I choose a number that is less than 4. What's the easiest number less than 4? I'm going to use 3. So 10 plus 9 is less than or equal to 22. Is 19 less than or equal to 22? Yes, indeed. It checks, it graphs. We are good to go. Okay, we're going to do another do and undo model on number 2. Okay, we have 19 is greater than, oh, that's a total. That's going to go down here. Negative 4p. So my variable is this. My coefficient is times negative 4. And my constant is negative 5. Lots of negatives here. So we're going to bring this around. And I have 19. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So we're going to add. 19 plus 5 is 24. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by negative 4. Oh no, we need 2. Highlight that negative here, highlight that negative here, because that tells me I need to flip my sign. My sign originally was greater than. I am going to make it less than, but remember my p's in front. My 19 was front here. So this becomes like this, and I have 24 divided by negative is 6. Is that the opposite way that I would go? Well, let's see. Let's check it. 19, oh, can't see that far. Sorry, guys. 19 is greater than negative 4 times. It's got to be bigger than negative 6, so let's do negative 5 minus 5. This is 20 minus 5. 19 is greater than 15. Is that true? Yes, I graphed it right. So P is greater than negative 6. I think I would have probably rewritten this like this. Oh, give me 1 second. Minus 5 is less than 19. because this gets our P on the right side, because now we can see that symbol was flipped. And I like that a little bit better because I think we need to do that. Okay, let's do another one. Let me erase. Okay, let's try another one. It says 1/2 r plus 3 is greater than 6. Now this are variables on the right side, so we're going to do and undo. And my variable is r, my coefficient is times 1/2, my constant is plus 3, and my total is 6. I'm going to bring it around. Opposite of addition is subtraction. We're going to subtract. And then this is multiplication by a half. So remember, we're going to divide by a half, which means we need to keep change flip. So we're going to flip this over and we're actually going to multiply it by 2. That gives me 6. So I have r has to be less than 6. And so we can check that. So I have r is less than 6. Let's do the number 4. 1/2 of 4 plus 3 is less than 6. This is 2 plus 3 is less than 6. That's 5. That is true. Oh, I forgot to grasp this, guys. Sorry. -6 greater than. Sorry. And then this one is 6. And it's less than open circle. So I am going to look at these. Like this one, I want you guys to rewrite -32 is greater than or equal to -12, because this is going to make a difference because you need to flip your sign. And these two are written right. So you guys are going to do these 3 problems, and then look at this. You are going to do all of this back. Yes, I'm keeping you busy. I am going to check this. This is going to be your next big classwork grade. You need to have this done before I see you guys tomorrow. Okay? You guys have a great night, and I will see you in school tomorrow.